Hey guys, what's happening? How to censor out swear words on Capcut. So if you're new to Capcut, just go ahead and press new project. But if you're not and you have a project already that you want to censor swear word, I'm gonna go to my project workshop, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see right here on your screen, edit audio. Just press audio, and you're gonna see right here inside extract sounds and sound effects. Sound effects basically means sound effects. So I'm gonna go ahead to the sound effects, and I'm gonna search for beep, right? You can see right here in the recent searches, or you can just type peep, right? B-E-E-P, and you're gonna hear right here the sound effect, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit the plus button, right? And now I'm gonna be able to add this, or add the censor sound, right? And if you're using audio or a visual video to, let's say, talk about something, and you perhaps like slipped and said the wrong word, now what you're gonna do, just go ahead, and if you're using audio, of course, you can go ahead and select the part where you made the mistake and hit split, right? And then click the first part of the video, hit volume, and then just mute, right? And once you mute that part, right, you're gonna notice that whatever mistake you made during the video using your audio or your visual video or face video, you will be able to censor it, right? But if you are using like a visual video, like you're talking about something and you're not like using the audio recording or whatever on the background, just go ahead and press the part inside the video and hit split, and go to the first part of the video, hit volume, and of course lower down the voice, right? And now you just censored the mistake or the swear word on Capcut. And if you want to add another layer like of protection, let's say, and you don't want people to know exactly what you said, that maybe your show or your videos are family friendly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back, right, and then hit text, and you're gonna see stickers, press it, and then simply just go and add glitch, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to pin down glitch, right, or something to blur. Let me type blur, right? Or yeah, right here. Yeah, I shouldn't search for it. I'm gonna add this one, right? And you can cover your face or cover your mouth, right? Now if you want to apply it, you can press play, right? And you can shorten the amount, right? Or go ahead like this, right? And basically that's it. Now let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.